Getting your ex back after a long breakup. Getting your ex back after a long breakup can be a daunting task. It can be difficult to know where to start, especially if it has been a while since you last talked. However, with some patience and dedication, it is possible to rekindle a relationship and get your ex back. Start by reaching out to your ex. You don't need to jump right into a conversation about getting back together. Instead, start with a simple hello and see where the conversation goes. If your ex is not interested in talking, don't take it personally and don't push the issue. It's important to give them space and respect their decision. Once you have started talking, it's important to take things slowly. Don't rush into trying to get back together. Instead, start by rebuilding the friendship you once had. This will help you both to reconnect and to get to know each other again. It will also give you both time to think about whether getting back together is the right decision. It's important to be honest about why the relationship ended. If you both can be open and honest about what went wrong, it will be easier to move forward and rebuild the relationship. However, it's important to avoid blame and accusations. Instead, focus on understanding each other's perspectives and finding a way to move forward. When you both feel ready, it's time to discuss getting back together. Talk openly and honestly about what you both want and need from the relationship. Be sure to listen to each other and be willing to compromise. This will help to ensure that you both feel heard and respected. If you both decide to get back together, it's important to take things slow. Don't rush into things and don't expect everything to be perfect right away. Instead, take your time and focus on rebuilding trust and communication. This will help to ensure that the relationship is strong and lasting. Finally, it's important to be patient. Getting back together after a long breakup can take time and it can be a difficult process. However, if you both are committed to making it work, it is possible to rekindle a relationship and get your ex back.